How to complete the Computer Skills Survey. To complete survey studies with the PIMCO Decision Research Labs at the Center for Decision Research, you will need a SONA account and reliable internet connection. You will also need to pass our Computer Skills Survey. First, sign into your SONA account. To find this study, click on the View Available Studies button, or Studies in the top menu bar. As you're looking for the Computer Skills Survey, you may see some other studies available in our labs. However, you will not be able to participate in them until you complete our Computer Skills Survey. Then, click on the Computer Skills Survey, click on View Time Slots for the study at the bottom of the page, and click Sign Up. There's no appointment. There's only a participation deadline. Please complete this survey on your own before the deadline date. Then, click on Complete Survey Now to complete the study. The Computer Skills Survey tests basic computer skills, like typing and following instructions, and takes 5 to 10 minutes. Once completed, you'll receive an email with a $2 Amazon gift card within a few business days for your participation. Once you've passed the Computer Skills Survey, you'll become eligible for our survey studies. You can then sign up for those survey studies just like you did with this Computer Skills Survey.